Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable NAT type to improve gaming on Xbox, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable NAT type to improve gaming on Xbox, start by powering on your Xbox console. Navigate to the settings menu from the main dashboard. Select General from the list of options. Then, choose Network Settings. Here, you will see your current NAT type displayed on the screen. If your NAT type is listed as strict or moderate, you will need to change it. Next, take note of your Xbox's IP address displayed in the network settings. Now, access your router by entering its IP address into a web browser on your computer. Log in to your router's admin panel using the required credentials. Locate the port forwarding or virtual servers section in the router settings. Create a new port forwarding rule for your Xbox. Enter the IP address you noted earlier as the destination. For the port range, use 3074 for both the starting and ending port. Set the protocol to UDP. Save your settings and exit the router admin panel. Now, return to your Xbox and select Test Network Connection in the network settings. Your Xbox will check the network settings and might take a few moments. Once the test is complete, check your NAT type. If it shows as open, you have successfully improved your gaming experience. If it still displays strict or moderate, you may need to enable UPnP in your router settings. Return to your router settings and find the UPnP option. Enable UPnP and save your changes. Again, test your network connection on the Xbox. Finally, enjoy a smoother gaming experience with improved NAT type. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.